Welcome to this video where we'll introduce you to alternatives to Google Bard. There are several alternatives that can help you create compelling content. Let's explore them. ChatSonic. ChatSonic is an AI chatting platform that enables businesses to build and deploy chatbots across various messaging services. It provides customized templates and real-time analytics and reporting. The platform includes advanced functionality such as AI-powered chatbots, automatic answers, and configurable conversation flows. This makes it easier for organizations to deliver timely and effective customer service and handle enormous volumes of communications. Integration with chat networks such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Slack. Jasper Chat. Jasper Chat is an AI-powered chatbot that allows organizations to build and deploy chatbots for platforms such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Slack. Jasper Chat's powerful natural language processing capabilities allow it to manage client inquiries and support them from time to time. The platform's powerful AI technology provides accurate and personalized replies, and the user-friendly interface makes designing and deploying chatbots simple. While it may be too expensive for some small organizations, Jasper Chat's an excellent choice for enterprises trying to optimize their customer service and sales operations. Filmora AI Copywriting. Filmora AI Copywriting is an AI-powered copywriting tool that can help you produce appealing ad copy and product descriptions. The tool can help you develop high-quality content that coincides with your brand and resonates with your target audience with only a few clicks. This program analyzes your brand's voice and tone using machine learning algorithms and then creates content that fits it. It allows you to produce text that suits your needs using customizable templates for various sectors and niches. YouChat. YouChat is a chatbot platform that assists organizations in developing and deploying AI-powered chatbots for customer care and support. YouChat allows you to create chatbots that can interpret consumer inquiries and reply with suitable responses, freeing your customer care personnel to address more complex issues. The tool understands client intent and provides personalized replies using natural language processing and machine learning techniques. NeevaAI. NeevaAI is a search engine platform that aims to give consumers a more private, ad-free search experience. It's a competitor to major search engines such as Google and Bing. You may use NeevaAI to search the internet for information and content without being monitored by marketers or having your personal information gathered. The search results are ad-free, so you don't get irritated with unnecessary advertisements or sponsored content. That's all for today. If you're interested in more useful content, check out filmora.wondershare.com.